When you're planning a global expansion for your company, one of the most important things you'll need is a team of skilled employees. Employees from your parent company, as well as new recruits from around the world, will need visas and work permits for most countries, including Romania. Types of work visas in Romania. Romania is a member state of the European Union (EU), so the laws regarding work visas and permits are similar to those of other countries in the EU. Citizens of other EU member states do not need a permit to work in Romania, nor do citizens of Switzerland and other countries in the European Economic Area (EEA). These countries include Norway, Iceland, and Liechtenstein. Any prospective employee who is not from one of these countries will need a work permit. There are several kinds of permits for foreign citizens in Romania, including permits for seasonal workers, trainees, athletes, permanent employees, cross-border workers, nominal work. Requirements to obtain Romania work visas. In Romania, foreign citizens cannot apply for a work permit on their own behalf. The employer must apply for them. A permit will be issued only if there are no Romanian citizens or citizens in other EU or EEA member states who are eligible to fill the position. This is one condition of eligibility for a permit. Other conditions include that the prospective employee must meet all of the employer's requirements for the position under legal provisions, have no criminal record that would prevent them from working in Romania, provide a medical certificate that states their capability to carry out the tasks required for the job, fall within the yearly quota for foreign citizens who may be granted a work permit. The employee will also need to apply for a long-term visa. Along with the application, the employee should be prepared to provide several documents, including the work permit obtained by the employer, proof of accommodation in Romania, a valid passport, 2 recent identifying photos, proof of medical insurance for the duration of the visit, police clearance or a background check from the employee's country of residence, evidence of sufficient financial means to support the visit, a flight ticket or proof of other accommodations for travel. Application process. Foreign citizens will need a work permit as well as a long-term visa to live and work in Romania legally. Here are the necessary steps to obtain these documents. The employer must apply for the work permit on behalf of the prospective employee, submitting all relevant documents to the Inspectorate General for Immigration, IGI, and paying the applicable fees. The IGI will answer the request within 30 days, either providing a decision or requesting more information for verification. If additional verification is needed, the process may be extended for up to 15 days. Once the application is approved by the IGI, a work permit will be issued to the prospective employee. The employee must then obtain a long-term visa by applying through the diplomatic missions and consular offices of Romania. The employee has a window of 60 days to apply after obtaining their work permit. Other important considerations. If an employee needs to extend the residence granted by their long-term visa, they can request to do so through the IGI. They'll need to file the request at least 30 days before their visa is set to expire. Their work permit may be renewed at the same time. In Romania, most work permits can be extended for up to a year. Highly skilled employees may be qualified for an extension of 2 years. It's likely that some of your employees will be traveling with family members. Each family member will need their own long-term visa as well as their own work permit if they wish to seek employment in Romania.